Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a transparent watermark in CapCut. So here I've already add a video to my CapCut, and to add a watermark you can just basically add tags into it. So for example, I want to add tags and write my own name in here as the watermark, and I'm going to change the font first. Okay, I'm going to not making it capital, so I'm going to change it. Okay, so for example like this, and I'm going to put it at the bottom like so. And to make it transparent, so I'm going to set it for the whole video to the watermark like this, and click on the tags, and here choose style, and then you can just scroll down and you'll find the opacity option. And to make it transparent you can just swipe or lower the opacity like this. So I'm going to go with like 12 or 13%, and then click on a check icon, and your watermark will look like this. Okay guys, so I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.